Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of an app on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Now, if you were to go on your iPhone and press and hold, there's no easy way to rename the app directly that's built into the OS. So, what you have to do is follow this easy process as well. First thing is for the app that you want. For example, if I want to change the name of Melodista to Music Else, you would want to go ahead and find the icon for the app. So you can Google search, for example, Music Logo app, and then, for example, I'll go ahead and download by long pressing and holding this image for the icon for music. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is on your phone, there is a built-in app called Shortcuts. It's from Apple. Once you open it up, you're going to click on that plus icon up top here, and then search for Action, which should be Open App. If you don't see it here, just search for it. You're going to tap on that. And here, you're going to go ahead and select where it says the word App on it to select the app. So here I'm going to search for Melodista as example. So I have Open App. And all I'm going to do here is rename this to the new app that I want to open. So if you want to rename this, go ahead and rename to, for example, Music. So, hit Done here, and then I'm going to click on Done. And now I have this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up again. And this time, click on that share icon that's pointing upward. And from here on, I'm going to scroll down to option that says Add to Home Screen. So I'm going to Add to Home Screen. And here you can change the name to whatever you want it. And then choose basically the photo or the icon of that app that you want. So you can also change the app icon if you wanted something different as well. And we're going to click on Choose as an example. Hit Done. And now we have basically another app named Music instead of Melodista with the same logo. And it's basically a shortcut, in a way. It's not the exact renaming of the app, but it's a shortcut. And it's the only way currently that you're able to do it, since there is no built-in way to do it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and please consider like and subscribe button to our channel for more tips and tricks. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.